everyone. Okay, I'm about to pot up this Darrow Blueberry. It is native to Georgia. Also, I'm pairing it with these Sedums, which is beautiful. And I'm pairing them because this is a blueberry bush that is drought tolerant. We also know Sedums does not require a lot of water. And so sandy soil, sedum can grow inside of anything. So that will be okay to plant. So basically it needs to be well drained soil. This here is well drained. It has peat moss in there. It's very fine. And right now I'm making it into the shape that I want it to grow in. So sometimes I find different shrubs that can take a shape, which there are two main stems here, and I actually like that concept. Taking away any shoots that goes outward. Push new growth. Taking away any stems that are leaning or dried out. All right, after taking a look at it, I decided to come out and about because sometimes you have to step back to really see the shape of what you're going for. So I needed to make a few more cuts. And it's raining, everyone. Lately I've been working in the rain. Isn't that so pretty? All right, let me show you all. Isn't this super pretty? Look at it. I can see some over here that I can take off. But wait until, look at all the beautiful berries from behind. Alright, this is my topiary form of a blueberry bush. But I figured I should add gravel to match with that silver. extra color. Y'all can see this in between each rock. And I just fill up the gaps. That actually added definition. What y'all think? I think, yeah, you're able to see the rocks more when you don't fill it in. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with that. But you all, I'm excited. Subscribe and see you again soon. Bye-bye.